Hi everybody, this is Joe with the Technology Closet, and we're going to show you some quick little tweaks again for Finder. In this one, we're going to show you how to enable the path and status bars and customize the toolbar in the Finder window. Now, the first thing we're going to show you is like if you're clicked on the desktop on the left side, it shows you up here that you're in the desktop and whatever files are in, but you don't know the full path to this folder. Where is it? By default, we know that with experience, you know that it's in the Technology Closet's home folder. There it is, desktop. But if you look, we have documents, downloads, movies, music, pictures, public. But we don't have applications. But it's on the sidebar. Why is that not our home folder? Well, it doesn't live there. The application folder lives somewhere else. In order to see where that's pointing to, we come up to the View menu, and we can actually show the path bar. And as you see at the bottom, it popped up. Okay, so right now we are on Macintosh HD, Users, the Technology Closet, Desktop. If we change to Applications, now that is in Macintosh HD Applications. That's where the Applications folder lives. The other thing we can view and turn on is the status bar. And that pops up at the bottom. It shows you how many items. It shows you how much space is available on the disk. And if it's processing or doing something or thinking or trying to load something, you'll see the little gear spinning in the lower right-hand corner, showing you that it's thinking. Usually when it's calculating these numbers here, it'll do that. So that's enabling those. Now, the toolbar at the top here, you may be saying, well, what are all these buttons for? Well, first of all, this is only a fraction of the ones that are available. And secondly, right now, it's the labels are turned off, so you have no idea, sight unseen, you have no idea what they do. So what we can do is we can right-click on the toolbar at the top on an empty area, and we can actually say icon and text. Okay, now we know what they are. These are your view settings here, different view settings, so we can view it in icon view, in list view, in column view, and in cover flow view. I like the list view myself. It's just cleaner and easier to navigate. This is an action item. It's a gear, obviously, with a pull down, and we can do a lot of stuff from here. New folder, we can open something, we can show package contents of the item we're on. We can move something to the trash, get info, compress it. We can burn it to a disk. We can make an alias. All kinds of actions that you can perform on the items here from this action menu. Then there's an arrange menu. I don't use this too much. I usually have it set to none. You can arrange them by name, okay, and it'll be named. You can't sort these columns. Once it's there, you have to actually change the arrange by up here, which I think is kind of dumb. I'd rather say arrange it by name and then let me sort it by date modified. I really don't like that view, so that's why I set it to none. Wrong one. Here we go. Set it to none. And now I can sort by date modified, sort by size, sort by name, ascending, descending, etc. There's also a share button. This will be on Mountain Lion. You can email or message this. If you had Twitter or Facebook turned on in here, you can tweet it or post to Facebook about it. But again, this is only a fraction of the available buttons. Of course, you have the forward and back button here, just like any browser. They'll take you back in your folder history. If you right-click on the empty area of the toolbar, you can customize the toolbar, and it gives you all of the options, button options available. This is the default set. It has a search bar, share, arrange, action item, view, back and forth. That's fine. But you also have all these other ones. You can have the path button. Let's drag that up there just to see. All you do is just drag it up to the toolbar. There it is. You can have the eject button. If you want to eject a disk or a drive, you can actually drag a burn button up there. So that if you wanted to burn it to a DVD or a CD, you can have a blank space separator. a flexible space, new folder. This is always one that's good to put up there. Quickly add a new folder. Delete, trash can, that's a good one. Put that up there. Connect, if you wanted to connect to a shared folder on another computer in your network, this is the way you would do that without going into the menu bar. The info button, quick look, and the label button, you can assign labels to items in Finder through that. I usually don't use those. And then just click done. And once you're done, now we can use the new folder, delete, eject, path, and see this shows you your path. This is the path I'm in. If you look at the bottom, I'm in Macintosh HD, Applications, okay, and I'm highlighted on App Store. So I'm actually, there's one more parent item, of course, Administrator's Mac, then Macintosh HD, then Application. I can jump quickly to any one in there, in that hierarchy. If I was in a really deep menu item, I could just bounce right back to that way. So that's customizing the toolbar and adding the path bar and the status bar to the Finder window. Thanks for watching.